One day in a big green forest, there was a small squirrel named Sam. Sam loved to collect nuts. Every morning, he would jump from tree to tree, looking for acorns. One day, Sam saw a big pile of nuts near a tree. "Wow," he said, "I will collect these nuts for winter." But there was a problem. A big crow was sitting on the tree. The crow said, "These nuts are mine." Sam smiled and said, "Dear crow, I am small, but I work very hard. I only need a few nuts to stay strong." The crow thought for a moment and said, "Okay, Sam, take what you need but leave the rest." Sam thanked the crow, took a few nuts, and went back to his home. He was happy and ready for winter. Fill in the blank with the correct word. Sam. A few nuts and went back to his home. A. Take B takes SC took D taking. The correct answer is C took explanation. The story is in the past tense, e.g. saw, said, thanked. So the correct form of the verb take is took.